In today's video, I will walk you through how to create Salesforce account to begin. Open your web browser and go to the official Salesforce website. Once the homepage loads, locate the option labeled Start Free Trial and select it to continue. After selecting the free trial option, you will be taken to the sign-up page where Salesforce asks for your account information. Begin entering the required details into the fields provided on the screen. Enter your name, email address, and company name exactly as requested during the sign-up process. Make sure the email address is entered correctly because Salesforce will use it to send the account verification email needed to continue. After completing all required fields on the sign-up form, continue by selecting the Start Free Trial button. Salesforce will then process the information and move to the next part of the account setup process. Once the page loads, Salesforce will request email verification before the account can be activated. To continue, go to your email inbox and locate the verification email sent by Salesforce. Open the email and look for the option labeled Verify Account. Select that option to continue with the setup process. After verifying the account, Salesforce will ask you to reset and create your password. Continue by selecting the Reset Password option shown on the screen. Enter the new password you want to use for the account. According to the setup process shown here, the password should contain at least 8 characters along with 1 letter and 1 number. After entering the password, confirm it again in the confirmation field. Once both password fields match, continue by answering the required security questions shown during setup. After completing the security question section, select the Change Password option to save the new password and continue. Salesforce may then ask a few additional setup questions before the account is fully activated. Continue answering the questions displayed on the screen to complete the setup process. Once the required questions are finished, Salesforce will redirect you to the main dashboard connected to your new account. At this point, the account creation process is complete, and the Salesforce dashboard will be available for use. The setup includes completing the sign-up form, verifying the email address, creating the password, answering the security question, and finishing the additional account questions shown during setup. This completes the process for creating a Salesforce account.